Hi students, in this video we discuss about the valves of the heart. Function of valve is to regulate the flow of blood only in one direction. So, in heart there are four major valves we can see in different locations. So it is a four chambers, upper chamber, then lower chambers. This is the ventricle, auricles. So in between the auricle and ventricle, atrioventricular valve, in between auricle and ventricle, both the sides there are two valves are present. So AV valves, that is in between it is situated at the aperture between the right auricle and right ventricle, then left auricle and left ventricle. The valve which is present in between the right auricle and right ventricle is known as tricuspid valve, because this valve consists of three thin triangular leaf-like flaps or cusps. So here three triangular flaps or cups we can see, and that is known as this is tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve. And these valves are held in position by means of a certain fibrous connective tissue known as chordae tendineae. Chordae tendineae. Their main function is to make the valves held in position, or here the muscles attached to this valve is attached by the chordae tendineae. Then the valve which is present between left auricle and left ventricle is having two cusps, and this valve is known as bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve. It is also known as mitral valve. So what is the location of mitral valve? Mitral valve is located in between left auricle and left ventricle, whereas tricuspid valve is located between right auricle and right ventricle. Their function is to regulate the flow of blood. Always it prevents the back flow of blood. Here always the blood is allowed to flow from right auricle to right ventricle, then from here left auricle to left ventricle. Back flow is prevented. That is the main function of any valve. Any valve, the main function is to prevent the back flow. Then two other valves which are present in the blood vessels, major blood vessels of the heart. So the major blood. So from here, from the right ventricle, pulmonary artery arises, isn't it? Pulmonary artery branches and goes to the respective lungs. There the purification of blood takes place. So at the junction of pulmonary artery, at the start of pulmonary artery, or at the opening of pulmonary artery, there is a valve located. It is semilunar, like this shape. And this valve which is present in the pulmonary artery is known as pulmonary semilunar valve. So pulmonary semilunar valve, that is located at the junction or at the point. A pocket shaped valve is present at the start of the pulmonary artery. Then another one valve is present in the at the start or the beginning of the aorta. Aorta arises from the left ventricle. So here also semilunar valve. This is semilunar. Its shape is semilunar, like this shape. And this valve is known as aortic semilunar valve. Aortic semilunar valve and pulmonary semilunar valve. Then we have tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve. All these valves regulate the flow of blood only in one direction or single direction. Okay. So here you can see the valves. Tricuspid valve present between the right auricle and right ventricle. Then bicuspid valve or mitral valve present between the left auricle and left ventricle. Then semilunar pocket shaped valve, that is present in the pulmonary artery, pocket shaped valve. Aortic valve is not shown here. So these all are the valves which regulate the flow of blood. So next one is the circulation of blood in the heart. So here this diagram you see circulation of blood in the heart. So here the lower chambers are known as what? Lower chambers are known as ventricle, upper chambers are known as auricles. So it starts with the contraction of two auricles. The first phase is contraction of two auricles. These auricles contract. And when the auricles contract, the ventricles at this time are relaxing or dilating. Therefore, the blood from the auricle passes to the ventricle very easily. And for this passage, here you see the tricuspid valve as well as the bicuspid valve is open. So when this portion, that is atria, contract, valves are opened, blood flows to the ventricle, both the respective ventricles. Next phase is the ventricular contraction. Contraction is also known as systole. So ventricles contract. When the ventricle contracts, during this time, the tricuspid and bicuspid valves are closed. That is very important. Okay, tricuspid and bicuspid valves are closed. So here, from the right ventricle, pulmonary artery arises, and from the left ventricle, aorta arises. Here, when this ventricles contract, what happens? The semilunar valves are opened. So only this bicuspid and tricuspid valves are closed. So only the blood can move to the respective blood vessels. That is, from here it enters into the pulmonary artery, deoxygenated blood. From here oxygenated blood is pumping or moving into the aorta. So this is the ventricular systole. So ventricular systole, which all valves are closed, tricuspid and bicuspid valves are closed, whereas pulmonary semilunar valves as well as aortic semilunar valves are opened. So this is the second phase. Then next phase is, and here this one preventing the backflow of blood from the respective auricles also, this tricuspid and bicuspid valve. Then after this, the next phase is the relaxation phase of both these auricles and ventricles. So when these ventricles relax, there is a chance of backflow of blood from the pulmonary artery and from the aorta. Then that is prevented by the closure of semilunar valves. So this is the circulate the blood once the heartbeat, the ventricular auricular contraction, that is auricular systole, then ventricular systole, then auricular dilation and ventricular dilation or diastole it is known. Then a joint diastole. All together, all this takes place within 8 seconds, and that is what the heartbeat, one single heartbeat or cardiac cycle. It is known as cardiac cycle. So now you learn about the heart sounds of heart. The first sound is known as lap, then dub. So our heart when it beats or pump, the sound is lap dub, lap dub, lap dub, lap dub. So how the lap dub is produced, now we will see. So the first sound of heart is produced at the start of ventricular systole, contraction phase of ventricle. When the ventricle contracts, which valves are closing? Tricuspid and bicuspid valve. So the sharp closure of tricuspid and bicuspid valve produce the first sound known as lub. Lub sound is produced at the start of ventricular systole. Then after this, ventricular diastole takes place. That is, the ventricles start dilating. So the second sound is produced at the start of ventricular diastole. When the ventricle relax, there is a chance of backflow of blood from the pulmonary artery and aorta. So here at the root of the pulmonary artery and aorta, the pocket-shaped valves are located. This pulmonary semilunar valve and aortic semilunar valve close at the start of ventricular diastole. Then the second sound is produced, that is known as dub. So the heart sound lap dub is produced by the closure of tricuspid and bicuspid valve and pulmonary and aortic semilunar valves. Okay. So the next part we will be discussing in the next video. Okay.